Okay student, we are starting with a new exercise 2.4. It is completely based on word problems. Before going to this exercise, please revise all the important formulas of word problem which we have given you. Okay, जिसकी वीडियो है आपके पास, प्लीज़ गो थ्रू दैम ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट formulas. You should be thorough with them. Then this exercise will become easy. Let's start. First question, it is given. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. Means she is subtracting 5 by 2 from the number. She multiplies the result. Result means जो भी आंसर आता है, that result she is multiplying by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So let's start. In this type of question, always make sure read the question 2-3 times. हम तब तक question पढ़े जब तक हमें समझ में ना आ जाए. Okay, make sure you understand the meaning of each and every word. Amina thinks of a number. क्या number है? Let the number B. Now this number can be of your choice, A, B, C, D, X, Y, Z, whatever you feel. I will take X because बहुत common variable है X, that's why I'm taking X. You can take any variable. Okay. Then please write the question here. Always you will be writing according to question. Means whatever we are writing, we will always keep question in mind. According to question हम दोबारा पढ़ेंगे. Meena thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. Means according to the question, number is taken X. From that 5 by 2 is subtracted. Okay, I don't know X, so I'll put this whole things in bracket. Solve करने पे आंसर आ जाएगा. Then they are telling she multiplies the result by 8. Multiplies the result. माइनस करने पे कुछ आंसर आया. This answer she is multiplying by 8. So I'll write here 8. हम अपने मन से कुछ नहीं लिख रहे हैं. I am repeating again. We are reading the question again and again. यहाँ पे लिखा है she multiplies the result by 8. That's why we are multiplying the result by 8. Okay. The result now, ये जो result आया है ये obtained is here is means equal. Words के meaning ध्यान रखना. 3 times means 3 and here times means multiply. Okay, 3 times the same number she thought. She thought of which number? We assume the number to be X, so 3 into X. ये इक्वेशन बनी अपनी. This is the theme of question. Word problem में बस इतना ही है. After reading the word problem, you should be able to make the equation. जैसे ये equation दिखी, now everybody can solve. We have already solved in our previous exercises. है ना. 2.1 में हमने इस तरीके की इक्वेशन सॉल्व करी. 2.3 में we have solved the equations of this type. So you can solve. Again I'll explain you one time. So this is writing here for you 3 into X. So I can write here 3X. Now easiest way, I'll multiply it to both the number. So what it will become? It will become 8X minus 8 5s are, it is becoming is equals to 3X. Okay. Now if you want, we can cancel 1s are and 20. So what it will become? 8X minus 20 is equals to 3X. Bringing the variables, the terms having the variables to the same side, term without variable to the other side. Minus करेंगे, what answer you will get? You will get 5X is equals to 20, it is in multiply, so obviously it will go in divide. 5 ट्रांसपोज होगा, डिवाइड में आएगा, so it will become 20 upon 5 and x will become 4. कैंसिल करेंगे तो अब लास्ट लाइन कंपल्सरी टू राइट 10. Okay, what is the number? So 10, 4 is the required number. Compulsory to write the last statement. And the theme point of this question, अगर आप शुरू से देखें बिल्कुल ध्यान से, read the word problem properly, read it again and again जब तक पूरा समझ में नहीं आ जाए. After reading the question nicely, you will assume the variable. It can be any variable. I have taken x क्योंकि common है x. You can take any variable according to the question. Compulsory to write whatever conditions are given in question. Questions में जो situation दी हुई है उस पे based you will form this equation. मन से नहीं बनानी है. We will get it from the question only. Once you get the equation, now it is a simple linear equation. Everybody knows how to solve. आपका normal procedure है which you have studied in 2 previous exercises. Solve करेंगे, you will get the answer और last line properly लिखेंगे. Okay.